Hi, okay, so we're in the bathroom outside. The Edwards now told me now that they're supposed to water, so it's supposed to become there, but it's not. He said to me, when people are bathing and showering, the water when it goes down is actually coming out the walls from here. So they actually don't even using it because it's coming out of the. That means something is bad there. So what you think? We need to report it. That's a problem, as you said. That's a problem. We need to report it to the owner to maybe fix it.